Okay, today is October. Oh, it's November. That was unexpected. November 1st, and it's around noon Eastern time. Let's see first what do we have with the market. The SPX looks way better than it was. It's a third green day at least, and I think we have some kind of a bottom in place, at least for next couple of weeks, hopefully. The VIX is also falling, so this is good. Hopefully we'll find some long strangles today. I didn't usually trade them, but I don't know, starting to like them. I had some really nice positions. I think I will continue trading them. Let's see what do we have with other stuff. TLT is also trying to go up, and Russell is still weak, and Nasdaq is not so bad. So only Russell is relatively weak right now. Let's see what you have with the options. So based on this, as the last days, I'm still neutral to bullish. Right now a little bit more bullish, and I would really like to see some nice long strangles because the volatility is lower, so we can buy something relatively cheaper than the last days. Probably some credit spreads, credit puts, and maybe short puts and short iron condors. So based on SPX, I think, well, it's just based on technical analysis, so it's not something serious. I would expect us to go upper from here, at least to this rectangle on top, this one. So it's supposed to be some kind of resistance, and from there we will adjust the strategy. So right now let's see which option strategies do we have. Credit vertical call, definitely not for today. Puts, credit puts. Let's see, what is it? Here I still want to find the credit puts that are at least 25 ratio of the return to margin. 22 is not really something nice. It's okay, but if we have a better option, why not? Here it is. How do they look right now? SSDG. They do have earnings, and I have no idea why they actually fell that much. Well, it could be a nice bet, but I have no idea what actually happened here, so I probably will not touch this company for some time. W. I think they just had earnings, so it should be pretty safe trade. Here they are, Wayfair. Yeah, they had a really nice earnings, and they went too much up, so probably they will go a little bit down from here, but it is still all right. Margin to return is 24. Yeah, let's keep this one in mind, and we'll probably come back to it. We didn't have any trades for like 3 days, I think. This one is it's a nice possible trade for today. Manga, earnings date on December 4. It's not really soon. Margin to return is really good as well, so yeah, let's keep these two in mind, and let's see if there are anything better than this one. Let's go to other strategies. Debit vertical put might be a good option for today because the VIX is lower. So what do we have today? Walmart, Amazon. This is actually pretty nice. It's very cheap. It's less than a dollar debit. Let's see, Walmart. Oh, well, that's pretty good. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it's still, as a bet, it can be nice. Amazon. Amazon is also pretty nice. Yeah, I think they will actually go down. Both Walmart and Amazon, they will probably go down a little because they had a really nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at least. Yeah, really nice week. So no, I think it should not. We can find something better. Microsoft. Yeah, almost same story here, but it looks a little bit better. It's not like previous chart that literally went up. So not the best trades. They're fine, they're really cheap, but I think the chances of it continuing they're all right, but we probably have something better. Long calls. AMD on. Let's see, AMD. For some reason they had a really good day today. Yeah. Oh, they had earnings. Okay. What was it today? Yeah, it was yesterday in the evening. So no, it's the same thing. I would expect it to go down a little bit, maybe to this level. So, and then we would buy it. But let's see if there is anything else. Amazon again. Manga. We just checked it, but I forgot the graph. Manga, and they're pretty weak. So no, we will skip it. Let's see, long strangles. We will check at the end. Short iron condors. That is interesting. That's very interesting, especially this one. Again, manga. I don't know why, but they have. What is the margin to return? It's 51%. It's really good one. They do have earnings, so probably they will go either up or down a lot. When exactly do they have? December 4th. I like this trade. Potential profit is higher than potential loss. Of course, you will not get all of the profit here, probably. Usually you close the iron condor at 50% profit, but still it is very interesting. Probability of price staying between break evens is around 50%. This is very interesting trade. Let's keep this in mind as a third trade. Probably we'll have one credit spread, maybe one iron condor, if we will not have anything better in short naked puts and long strangles. Mara is actually nice. It's the credit is small, of course, because Mara is like around $7 or $8. The underlying margin to return ratio is insane, 44%. It is really good. I think this one is, well, of course they are like really volatile, but it's you can think of it as a Bitcoin trade. Technically it's a company who has a lot in Bitcoin. They do have earnings. Oh, do they? I think they do have earnings pretty soon. Let's see on the trading view. Yeah, they do have it. So this is actually very interesting. It's $7. The credit is what is the credit? I think it's like 50 cents, 56 cents. So basically you are safe if it doesn't drop lower than like 6.44 44. So this should be really nice. Yeah, I like it. And anything else? I will actually write it down because I will forget. Mara short put is really nice. Okay, what is the difference between this and that one? It's December 8 and the first one is December 15. Yeah, we'll go with December 15. SEDG, TTD, I actually don't remember them. Margin to return, you see it's 25%, while the previous one was 44 or something. It's really, really good. Of course, it's because they have earnings, but I don't expect it to drop that much. Well, even if it will go to 6 or 5, it will be up in a month or something because it's extremely volatile. I usually like going with long strangles on Mara when it's cheap. Okay, nothing interesting here anymore. And long strangle. If we will find something for like with a debit of 5, then it's all right. Of course, it's like it is AMD, for example, they have 9 or 10 or 11 debit. It's because they're pretty expensive. Its underlying is like 100, so I want to go with underlyings around less than 50 probably. And I don't see anything. No TTD, no, I don't want them. Doku, I think I do have them already, so I don't want to. Yeah, I do have them, so I will not make this trade. EOG is nice. Let's see where they are right now. Yeah, this is actually can be, they have earnings, so no, it's a little bit more expensive than I would want it to, probably. EOG, TTD, Tesla, yeah, nothing. GM, no, too conservative for a long strangle. So yeah, this is what we have. Short put in Mara and some credit vertical puts. I think it was SEDG, right? Not this one, and not this one. I don't really remember. Oh, it was probably W. Okay, yeah, it was SEDG and W. Oh, actually it was manga, I think. Yeah, manga. Let's see which one has a better graph to decide which one we'll go with. I think it was manga iron condor, which we will probably do. Yeah, and manga is not super bullish here. And W. Wayfair is also, I think they will go a little bit down from here, so it will be better to wait. And let's see the iron condor. It was MDB, right? Yeah. So probably we will go with a short put on Mara because the return to margin is extremely good. And with this short iron condor, because I do not expect it to move much. Manga. Yeah, it seems to be dropping, but since the whole market is expected to go up probably, I think it will also at least will stay at the same level or will go slightly up. If it will go against us really soon, then probably I will be hedging delta by buying stock a little bit, just so we are, if the underlying will go against the calls, then we'll buy a couple of shares just to hedge ourselves. But for now, I think it is good. So yes, this is it for today. We have 2 trades. I will add them to the public spreadsheet. It's a short iron condor on Mongo, and it's a short put on Marathon. So this is it. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow. Have a good day.